With ServiceNow Operational Technology Management, you can streamline operations, boost productivity, and reduce downtime on the production floor. At ServiceNow, we think of operational technology, or OT, as all the hardware, software, and workflows that automate industrial processes, taking raw materials and producing finished goods. We can divide the OT environment into an OT network, where production takes place, and an IT network. IT devices exist on both networks, but OT devices exist only on the OT network. OT management has its challenges. For example, with limited visibility, you may not know how many OT devices you have or where they're located. Old infrastructures have many vulnerabilities, making it difficult to identify and prioritize critical OT devices for remediation. Manual processes that differ from site to site are difficult to track, and legacy knowledge gets lost over time if it's not recorded in a central place. ServiceNow Operational Technology Management helps you overcome these challenges. The Operational Technology Management solution provides applications that incorporate OT data from multiple sources, the Purdue Model framework, and the ISA equipment model to define critical infrastructure levels, provide a complete contextual view of OT systems, help maintain system security and availability by reducing risk and increasing compliance, and connect your OT data to production processes and workflows. Let's take a closer look. The Purdue Model is often used to visualize OT environments. Here, levels 0 through 3.5 are OT networks, and levels 4 and 5 are IT networks. Traditionally, ServiceNow has managed IT with ITOM and ITSM. Operational Technology Management takes that same functionality into the industrial network. So now you can manage your industrial devices from level 3, where most of the management and control of your operations are, all the way to level 0, where you move and measure things. This management includes all device types from sensors and robots to servers and virtual machines. Operational Technology Manager provides visibility into the OT devices specific to the sites accessible to the logged-in user. The dedicated industrial workspace provides a seamless experience for navigating across OT devices and their related details. In the list view, selecting all OT devices displays all devices on this system and their attributes. We can filter by class and group by discovery source. You populate your OT device data from OT Certified Service Graph Connectors, ServiceNow Discovery, and Excel spreadsheets, and then aggregate data from various sources into multi-source CMDBs, including data from spreadsheets using the Service Graph Connector for Operational Technology, Excel. And then you can view the data in many different ways through the Operational Technology sublists. For example, by OT supervisory systems and OT control systems with modules. That's how you manage your whole OT network with ServiceNow Operational Technology Management. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.